Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is the first time you're seeing this face, hello, hi, my name is Topsy. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. So, I'm so excited right now because it involves eating, which is one of my favorite things to do. One fun fact about me is that I enjoy watching mukbang videos. So, when I was thinking about doing this video, assumptions about me video, I thought, why not do it sort of mukbang style? So that's what I'm doing in this video. There are two things I have no business doing that I might regret further on into this video is wearing white and also wearing lipstick. What is the point in wearing lipstick if you're gonna be eating? This is my first time eating on camera, so I don't know what my eating face looks like, but bear with me. Do not judge me and do not mock me. You can do whatever you want. I don't even care. So what are we eating today? What's on the menu? Some wings. There we go. They're actually barbecue wings. Obviously keto style because your girl does not eat too many carbs. This is sugar-free barbecue sauce. So we'll be having some wings. For dessert, we're going to be having cookies. Keto style, of course. And obviously, we're gonna need to drink something, you know? So I've been having some water. Okay, maybe there's something else in there. No, I'm just kidding. I don't even drink. So it's just water, guys. I asked you guys on Instagram to send me your assumptions about me. I've got my phone here. If you would like to hear my responses to all your assumptions about me, then keep watching. I was curious to know what you guys thought about me, so I wanted to do this video. And also it's a way for you guys to get to know me better as well. Like, I eat my wings by like breaking it into two. I don't know if I'm the only weird one that does that, but anyway, first question says, you are keto all round? You will be wrong in saying and assuming that. I am not keto all year round. I wish I was, but I'm not. I'm keto most of the time, but around sort of birthday times, Christmas time, children's birthday time, family birthday time. Basically, whenever there's a celebration, I do go off keto. I'll be real. Second question says, you are not really 40 and you lied about your age. Wow. I think people are going to lie about their age. They're actually going to say they're younger than they actually are. I am really 40. I celebrated my 40th birthday in April. Just gone. So I am 40, fabulous darling. I don't need to lie about it. I understand why you would think that. Maybe because people always say I'm look younger. But yeah, I'm all of 40 and loving it. Another assumption is that I love cooking. Can you hear that? I do love cooking. It never used to be like that. I never used to love cooking. But ever since I started keto, I've just enjoyed exploring all the different recipes and finding yummy foods to cook and eat, because this is a lifestyle for me, so I have to find things that I actually enjoy eating. Yeah, so I do love cooking. You are right. Someone said you have 2 children max. You were wrong. I have 3 children, 2 boys and a girl. Someone said you're an introvert. You would be wrong in thinking that. I can be very shy and reserved. However, I love people. I'm a very social person. So whenever I'm out, I would say 85% of the time, I initiate the first conversation. So I wouldn't say I am an introvert now. but I can come across as very shy and very reserved, so I can see why people would think that. Next question says, you find it easy to work out and eat healthy. I won't say I find it easy to work out, yeah, because I like the way I feel after I work out. I love when those endorphins eat your blood and you just feel happy, you feel good. I love that. While I'm working out, I might feel like I'm about to die, but I don't hesitate to do it, if that makes sense. I don't put it off or I don't postpone it unless I don't feel well. But yeah, you are right. I do find it easy to work out. Do I find it easy to eat healthy? For the most part, I do, because I know the consequences of if I don't eat healthy, if I don't follow the keto lifestyle for most of the time. I know the consequences. I know that I put on weight. I know that I'll be feeling pain. So I tend to, from the most part, when I'm not eating non-keto, find it easy to eat keto. Because the food is so yummy anyway. So I don't feel like I'm really missing out on anything. If that makes sense. This made me laugh when I read it. Someone said you've had plastic surgery and you don't want us to know. Wow. For people who don't know, I recently lost a lot of weight, probably about 70 pounds, mainly due to keto and exercise. I really had a really big stomach. If you go back to my previous videos, you look at the before and after. So I can see why people would think, or this person would think, that I did have plastic surgery. Because I've had a lot of people actually say that under the comments in my pictures. But no, it was pure hard work, eating right, exercising. Yeah, that's it really. Not to say I'm against plastic surgery. Do you, boo? But that's not the way I achieved my results. So someone said you're focused. Once your mind is made up, nothing can stop you. You'll be right about that. When it comes to something that I'm very passionate about, I do not give up. My motto in life is you never give up, no matter what. No matter if you get knocked down 55 million times, you get back up for 55 millionth one time and you keep it moving. If it's something that you really want, you never give up on it. You just keep going, you keep pushing. I'm like a dog with a bone. When I want something, I just don't let up. Yeah, so you are right when it comes to that. So I've managed to destroy 3 wings, as you can see. So we're going to move on to cookies. This is how the cookie looks like. Oh my god. It is so beautiful. Look at that. I love desserts. I don't feel like I'm depriving myself. So obviously, I'm not using any flour. I'm using like almond flours, coconut flours, and natural sweeteners. So if you guys would like the recipe, because these cookies are the best keto cookies I have ever tried. No lie. If you guys want the recipe, let me know in the comments and I'll hook you up. There we go. So we've got 2 questions, 2 assumptions left. And one said, you are a neat freak. I won't say I'm a neat freak. And I won't say I'm dirty or untidy, no. I would say that I am definitely not a minimalist kind of person. I'm that kind of person who has organized chaos in my life. I like to see things. I like to have everything there. I know where every single thing is, but it might not look together. But in my head, I love that. The fact that I can see it. So the last question says, as you grew up privileged and your family is rich. What I would say about that is wealth is relative. I would say that I grew up comfortable and I'm happy that I grew up and my parents provided everything that I needed and I appreciate them for that. And yeah, I was comfortable. Let's just put it that way. That's what I would say about that assumption. I hope you guys learned something new about me. I'm glad I didn't get anything too scandalous. And I enjoyed doing this. I still have one more cookie left. And I would never say no to another cookie. My white top is still intact. My lipstick is still on. If you guys enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for taking the time out to watch this video. I appreciate you. And I will catch you guys in another video very soon. Take care, guys.